and today we are going to do some pretty cool stuff to this. We're going to be using some IOD Designs products along with Wise Owl. This is River Rock and a little bit of Antique Villa. We're going to blend these up a little bit, paint this guy, and make it super awesome with some IOD transfers. Stay tuned, hang out with me, don't forget to subscribe, and here we go.
Alright guys, let's get started. First thing we need to do is get our hardware off. Make sure you clean your piece really well and you are ready to paint. So I am using a great color called River Rock. This is made by Wise Owl, using a Klingon S50, and we're getting a nice coat on there.
This is a beautiful transfer by IOD Design. Absolutely huge, and they have all this wonderful color on them. So I'm going to start positioning this and cutting it up so that I can put it onto my piece.
The IOD Designs transfers are just awesome. As you can see, they're really big. It's 24 by 33. I'm going to go ahead and cut mine up. I'm going to use just a portion of it, and I'll save the other parts for other pieces. You can use the whole thing if you want. You can mix them up. You can put a little bit of this one, a little bit of that one. Do it however you want. Their options are endless. All right, this little plastic stick comes with it, and you use that to rub your transfer off of the transfer paper and onto your piece. So you just keep rubbing it. You can see it kind of turns a little clear when it releases from the paper and hooks to your piece. So you just want to rub it really well, get it on. Doesn't take too long. It's pretty darn easy. I went back with a razor blade and just cut that little portion where my transfer would bend when that door opened and closed. I gave the top of my piece a light sanding with a sanding pad and brushed up that hardware. I sealed the body of my piece with DIY's clear wax. I painted the top of my piece a color called Weather Vane by Wise Owl, and now I'm applying DIY's dark wax directly over that. Smooth that out, buff it off, and now I'm applying Wise Owl Lemon Verbena Furniture Salve to protect it and give it a little bit of a sheen. And by the way, it smells fantastic. All of these products are available at windmillvintagedesigns.com. I'm going to put the link in the comments below. All right, guys, was that fast or what? Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. You guys are awesome, and I will see you soon in the next video.